IoT, the Internet of Things, is a revolutionizing technology of our daily lives through interconnected devices that collect and exchange data. This network of smart objects, from the home appliances to wearable technology and vehicles, allows of automation, remote control, and increased efficiency. Imagine controlling your thermostat from your phone, receiving alert about your home security, or having your car automatically adjust to traffic condition. These are the few examples of how IoT simplifies and improves our routine in our daily life. The convenience extends to healthcare with remote patient monitoring our health, retail with our smart sleeves and personal shopping, and even agriculture with autonomous farming practice. This interconnectedness also presents opportunities for increased safety and improved decision making. Wearable fitness tracker can monitor our health and alert us to potential problems. While collecting cars exchange safety features and reduce accident, smart cities leverage IoT for efficient waste management and traffic control, improving the quality of life for residents. The potential of application of IoT are vast and constantly expanding, promising a future where technology seamlessly integrates into every aspect of our lives, making them more convenient, efficient, and safer. Means, IoT, ito yung mga technology na makakatulong sa atin na mapadali ang mga gawain like trabaho using advanced gadgets. IoT can integrate into every aspect of our life, making them more convenient and efficient and safer. The disadvantage and advantage of IoT is it offers of numerous advantages, including increased convenience, automation, and efficiency, and safety for us humans, and personalized experience, creating new opportunities across various sectors. However, various sectors like like example, pag sa mga parents mong malayo sa ibang bansa, pwede kang gumamit ng internet to connect with them. Then, creating new opportunities across various sectors. However, it also presents disadvantages as privacy concern, security risks, cost and complexity, technological dependence, and ethical consideration. Responsible development and robust security measures are crucial to maximize the benefits while mitigating the risk of IoT. Like the disadvantage of IoT, hindi naman maiiwasan na magkaroon ng mga security risk, like makukuha yung example, yung like lang privacy natin. Ang disadvantage ito is nakukuha niya yung privacy natin at pwede tayong maano yung security natin. Tapos pag my personal insight with the use of IoT in my daily life, IoT can make my decision making more efficient and achieved through an integrated network of technologies. Like mas mapapadali niya pa yung, imbis na maghanap ako sa mga libro, mas mapapadali niya pa yung mga work ko na maghanap through internet. Then it promises efficiency gains, optimized operation, and enhance customer experience. But necessitates robust security measure to address inherent vulnerabilities. The technology is rapidly evolving and fundamentally reshaping various sectors. Like, kung mag-ano ka sa IoT, dapat tignan mo din yung advantage and disadvantage ng internet. Kasi alam natin na nakakatulong ang internet sa daily life natin para mas mapadali yung pamumuhay natin. But, we should also know that hindi lahat ng nasa internet is good para sa atin. So, we must think wisely in using IoT. Final opinion about IoT. Is IoT good or bad for society? Like I told a while ago, na may mga positive impact naman ang IoT sa ating society, like increase efficiently and productivity. IoT can optimize processes in industries like manufacturing, agriculture, and transportation, leading to reduced waste, improved resource management, and increased productivity. Like, itong positive impact ng IoT, mas napapadali yung mga gawain ng mga farmers, tulong ng mga manufacturing dun sa mga may mga business ganun. Then positive naman din ng IoT is improve safety and security. Connect devices can monitor environments, detect potential risks, and provide timely alerts, enhancing safety in homes, workplace, and public space. Like example, you're a mother, then you go to work. You have to work, then iniwan mo yung anak mo sa bahay mo. May mga technologies doon na pwede mong ma-use using IoT, like CCTV. You can monitor it in your phone. Then enhance quality of life. IoT devices can provide personalized healthcare, smart home automation, and convenient transportation options, improving overall quality of life for individuals. Then economic growth and innovation. IoT create new industries, jobs, and business models, driving economic growth and fostering innovation. Then may mga negative impact naman ng IoT sa ating society, like privacy concern. IoT devices collect vast amount of personal data, raising concern about privacy violation and potential misuse of information. Pwede ito yung pangit na pwede niya kasing malaman yung personal data mo, at pwede din niyang gamitin yon against sa'yo. Then security risk. Connecting devices are vulnerable to hacking and cyber attack, potentially compromising sensitive data and distorting critical infrastructure. Like this, yung sabi kong privacy concern, naka-connect din to sa securities natin kasi pwedeng ma-hack yung mga personal na account natin, like Facebook, Messenger, emails, and job displacement. Automation driven by IoT could lead to job displacement in certain sectors, requiring workforce retraining and adaptation. And ethical concerns. The use of IoT raises ethical questions about data ownership and responsibility for accident caused by connected devices. Like, yun nga sabi ko, may mga good and bad naman ang IoT. So, we must think kung ano bang makakabuti sa atin and for our safety din. IoT has a potential to significantly benefit of our society, but it's important to address the challenges and mitigate risks. Responsible individual and development, security measure, and transparent data practice are crucial to ensure that IoT benefits are realized while minimizing its negative impact. The future of IoT it's depend on us, on collaborative effort between government, business, and individuals to harness its potential for good while safeguarding against its downside. So, ang masasabi ko na lang, be responsible using IoT. Then, I know that IoT can help us develop and proactive mitigation of risk, but minimize its benefits and minimize the potential harm of IoT. Thank you.